Alright, next is the 3-channel Apache Helicopter, retailing for $57, but on sale at BudK for $39.99. Own the skies with our latest dual-rotor remote control helicopter. This S009 Apache from SYMA features a 3-way precision infrared controller with an adjustable trim control. It's got ultra-bright LED lights that flash while the chopper is in flight, making night flying a breeze. Now, the rechargeable 3.7-volt nickel-metal hybrid battery on the chopper, it lasts forever and charges fast when used up. You'll never get tired of flying with this beast.